everyone, it's your girl Nancy. It's day 3 of the quarantine. Woo! And I'm having so much fun. And welcome to my very first episode. In my episodes, I'm going to be baking and cooking and doing great quarantine cooking for you. So far, what I realized is I'm an expert in the quarantine business. I'm killing the game, making quarantine my bitch. Sorry for the curse word. And meet Bubba. He's my best friend. I want to introduce you to my handy helper. This is Bubba. I know he's just a stuffed doll. He's not a real person. I'm not crazy. But he's the best. Welcome to my life. Anyways, what I wanted to do today was a really famous coffee treat. It's the very famous viral Dalgona Coffee. It's the frothy, lovely, yummy, sweet, tasty, creamy coffee drink of your dreams. So let's get started. In this big ass bowl, I put in a heaping spoon of instant coffee. Sprush, see that? That's the good stuff. And then you add a little bit more because you like caffeine. By the way, my whole channel is about the love of vitamin C. The doctors say in order to stay healthy, you need to boost your immunity system with vitamin C. And what else than coffee, caffeine, cupcakes, cookies? All those things start with C. Don't you lie to me. And then here we go. Some sugar. I like to do a nice heaping spoon of sugar. We add that. And then to this lovely thingamabob, we're gonna add some hot water. Let me go do that. Oh, right, me again. So I got some hot water in here, and we're gonna whisk. Whisk. I'm already tired. The whisk challenge. See, it's getting bubbles. You're gonna make it bubbly. Bubbly. I wanted to just talk a little bit about my expertise in the quarantine. So in my 3 days, I found out a lot, and I just want to give my tips and tricks to you guys so that you guys can be just as happy as me. I know what's going on in the world. I read all of the news clips. I watch all of the TV channels. I'm very in the know. I'm very excited to tell you that I want to impart my knowledge onto you. My political stuff is on point. My baking stuff is the best. I know lots of things. So follow me, subscribe to my YouTube channel right now if you want to understand how the world works. Don't listen to the politicians, don't listen to the scientists. I swear they're all just working for something else. You need to listen to the people, the real people with the real solutions, like how to make Dalgona coffee. I drink maybe 5 of these a day, and then I end my day with a matcha one. It's the same thing but with matcha. I'm really excited to drink this. And look at it, it's a workout. My arms. You know how when you go to a fancy bar, they give you those big jugs that's been iced? This has been in the freezer. This is bigger than my whole head. It's huge. And I've iced in it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my version. And this one, I'm gonna put all the coffee in here and all the bubbles. Coffee is my friend. Coffee is my best friend. Okay. And then what I'm gonna do is we're gonna get some full fat whole milk. The best milk. Okay. We're gonna put it in there and feel free to not measure. And then what I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna whisk it out. Same thing, whisk away. I had maybe 3 of these already today. It's 11 a.m. for things that I do for fun, I bake cookies, I eat cakes. I'm really just trying to stick to eating things that start with C. It's just a mental thing. It's how strong can I be mentally to just eat things that I want to eat and nothing else, basically. Look at the bubbles. Look at them bubbles. I love bubbles so much, like, so exciting. Oh my God, I messed up. It's my first time shooting, but what I just did was I added milk to here, and now I have this, but it never shot. But can you guys forgive me? Experts can make mistakes too. Anyways, this is my coffee. Listen to the real news, okay? Not every expert is an expert. Anyone can say they're an expert, but you have to trust people like me who really know what's going on in the world, who really know how to quarantine. I know what I'm doing. Subscribe to my channel now. Unless you don't want to know what you're doing. Because I know all the tips and tricks for living and how to live life. Because I've been doing just fine. Bye. Bye.